If you're looking to get a easy high limit credit card, and I mean easy, then you came to the right video, guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to get upward to $50,000 the easiest way possible with this new credit union. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can get up to $50,000 credit card. But before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience, and it also allows us to leave these lights on, guys. Please like, subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to mycreditapproved.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to mycreditapproved.com, check out the software, and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video. Guys, I'm super excited about this video because this new credit union is on fire. I really appreciate the work that they're doing because it is giving an added leg to stand on for high limit credit cards for beginners. It's not really easy to get high limit credit cards. I mean, $25,000, $50,000, $60,000 credit cards when you are a beginner. And when I say a beginner, I don't mean a very low credit score for the 500s. I don't mean that. I mean that you have a high 600, 700 credit score, but you don't have the credit profile to actually go into the direction of those higher limit credit cards. So this product that I'm going to show you guys today is very interesting, and it's going to allow you to go from between 10 to 25 to $50,000 in available credit, unsecured, untapped credit. So let's dive straight in. So the institution that we're going to talk about today is called SkyOne Federal Credit Union. It is a nationwide credit union that is basically looking to go into the same business model trajectory as a Navy Federal. Now, what I love about SkyOne is that they don't have any limitations for getting signed up. A lot of people have been getting signed up pretty easily, regardless of the state or geographical location. Now, I do know that in the application process, they might ask you, how are you basically looking to sign up? You always want to go to the end of the section and pick other, and they will basically allow you to become a signee as by just incorporating you with a charitable organization. So the process to getting signed up with this company is pretty easy. I know Navy Federal, Penn Fed, all of those other credit unions typically have a lengthy and complicated process of getting in the door. But once you get in the door, you guys know the rest. They are the house of high limits for a reason, because they give you high limit credit cards without having a super perfect credit profile. Right now, SkyOne is looking to do the same. Now, SkyOne have 3 credit cards that I want to share with you guys today. The $50,000 is going to be for their Platinum Elite credit card. The limits for that one is go up to $50,000. Now, what I would do if you don't have a prime credit profile, do not go directly for the 50. Start the process slow. Credit unions usually have a 90-day window where they evaluate your process and let you build with them during a 90-day window. Now, during that 90 days, they're going to look over your balances, look over your credit history, look over your direct deposit, and basically gauge what is the availability that you can handle. If you have good balances, if you're not out here having a lot of negative negative balances during this time period. Most credit unions will give you a open door for other products after that 90-day probation. I'm looking for you guys to do the same with this credit institution. If you don't have a 680 minimum, don't apply for the high limit credit card because you might not get approved for it. And if you do, I know that the interest rate that you're going to get approved for is not going to be the ideal one that you could get approved for. So guys, you have to crawl before you walk. This is one of the opportunities that you can actually crawl. Companies like Wells Fargo, Chase, those companies do not tailor to people that's getting their foot in the door. They want your profile to be damn near perfect before you even ask for any type of funding. These credit unions that I'm giving you guys on this platform is looking to help you guys tailor to beginners. If you have the profile built with them, then they'll open the door for other products for you. The first credit card that they offer is called a skyone credit card. The skyone credit card classic. That credit card have an annual fee of 0%. The balance transfer is 0% for the first 12 months. The credit limit is $10,000 and the balance transfer fee is 3%. The balance transfer fee and the cash advance fee is 3% for all of these cards that I'm going to give you. Now, if you are a beginner and you have a decent credit score, then this is the card that I'm going to recommend for you guys to go. This is not financial advice for anyone that think that it is. This is just my opinion. Now, the classic is a good introductory card and it's a good decent balance for you to get a good high balance in the door. $10,000 is a good balance for you to get started in the relationship with them. Once you go through the 90-day cycle, you can revamp your profile. You can have your direct deposit go into it and you will feed the system. You basically building your profile up with them, and after 90 days I will go for the higher tier credit card. Now the middle tier is called a platinum rewards credit card. That's another 0% annual fee, 0% transfer fee, 25,000 credit limits, and like I said, the balance and the cash advance fee is always going to be 3%, 25,000. Now during the 90 days you can try to go to get this one. If you don't think that your profile is strong enough from the first initial 90 days, you can go have a 480 day cycle, 180 day cycle where you have a game plan put in place. Now guys, when you get this untapped money, when I tell you guys all the time about these products that's going to give you easy funding, know what you're going to do with it, and don't plan to buy designer or any of those luxury brands or liabilities as a whole. Guys, you want to focus on assets, because those are going to be the vehicles that's going to actually put money back in your pocket and give you longevity with any type of funding. Funding is always good if you know what to do with it, but if you go into bad debt with this funding, it's not doing anyone favors, including you or the institutions that's giving it to you. So like I said, guys, you can follow up with these guys. Skyone Credit Union, anyone can sign up all over the country, and you can have a game plan to get a $50,000 credit card. Now, the last but not least, the $50,000 credit card is Platinum Elite Skyone Platinum Elite card. Now, I do believe that this card is a metal card. That's interesting. Now, they do have an annual fee for this one for $65. The balance transfer fee is 0%. They do have 3 times the awards in categories, 2 times the awards in 2 categories, and 1 times the award in everything else. The credit limit is for $50,000, and the balance transfer and cash advance fee is 3%. Guys, I honestly think that this is a great open door. A lot of people have messed up their relationship with Navy Federal, just being honest. Didn't really understand the full potential of the relationship. Got a couple thousand and now they owe $1,000 and now they can't go get any more money with Navy Federal. This is another company that you can start over, basically start fresh. Don't make the same mistakes that you made with Navy Federal and get your foot in the door to some high limit credit cards, guys. I know how hard it is for people to get high limit credit cards, especially when you don't have the perfect credit score. So I teach my students and I give them the scripts and I give them these access points for these type of products so they can actually get their foot in the door just like everyone else. Guys, let me know in the comment section how you feel about this product. Have you used this product? Have you heard of this product? And if you are planning on using it, let us know in the comments what you plan on using it for so we can hold you to it. Guys, until next time, take care of yourself and take care of your credit. Credit Coach Q out.